Hi, baby. Are you having lunch? Yeah. Could you show me how you say hi? Is that how you say hi? And can you show me how you say no? How do you say no? That's how you say no? And can you show me Itsy Bitsy Spider? You love Itsy Bitsy Spider. Could you show me how you do it with your hands? Maybe later. I love you. Want to show us your teeth? Yeah, aren't those cute? Okay, thank you for the avocado. I love you, baby doll. Do you have anything you want to say? Thank you. Yeah. That's a pterodactyl. Yeah. Okay, Lovey Muffin. I'll let you eat your avocados. No, you don't want avocados. You want cheese? Do you want cheese for lunch? Yeah? That sounds good. Wait, what are you having right now? An avocado? I'll cut you some cheese, okay? I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Could you show me your bye-bye wave?